And there it is. Came yesterday, got some time today after work, put it all together, and those guys make a very good job, very clever design, with a tray that has like a lot of pockets, I will say, and also there's two cups here that you don't want them, you can fold them inside. The tray is also removable, you can remove it and use it as a like a display stand. And now let's go up here. So you have levers, so you pretty much can position a helicopter on whatever position you want. But the main thing is that, and I don't know why the guys from Roban, they didn't get the biggest helicopter they have, and I'm pretty sure, and when I say the biggest, I mean biggest landing skid distance, right? And I'm pretty sure that that is going to be the MD 500, 800 size for sure. But that distance here doesn't fit the 600 size MD 500. And at the beginning I was disappointed, but, and here's the trick you can do to fit even bigger helicopter. So that stand comes with two sets. One is the one I already put on, it's for big helicopters, and there's one more for smaller. So what I did, I took that part and came from this side, put it in. So next thing I'm gonna do is make a hole over here, put a screw so I don't have that jiggle thing, and then I can go. My maximum is gonna be that. So yeah, now I'm pretty sure that I can fit at least my helicopter for sure. So next video it's gonna be with of course with the helicopter mounted. But yeah, thanks Roban, big that's a big help for me actually, and to be honest, not only for me but for my wife too, because eventually her dining table won't have that mess anymore. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned, more videos coming.